Hello friends, this is Himanshi and today I am back with my new video. Today this video is going to be wonderful because in this video a great lesson has been concentrated. And the great lesson is none other than a way to convert our negative thinking into positive thinking. I have seen a lot of person who says that be positive, stay motivated and yes, don't have negative thinking in your life and all these things. But this video is going to tell that how to convert our negative thinking into positive thinking and yes, how to use our negative points in a positive way. So without delaying, now let's come to the point. I have brought an amazing example. Actually this example has been happened in my life, so I want to share with you. Okay, so I have remembered that day when I was going to attend my English lecture, and yes, it was one of the fabulous lecture ever in my life. You know why? Because that day my whole lecture was being attended in English language. And wonderful thing was that when I was sitting in my class and when my teacher was taking our lecture, then a student stood and asked a question in English language. After some time, another student stood and asked a question. And wonderful thing was that with the student had never tried to speak even a single word in English language, and that day he was asking a question in English language. So after some time another student stood and asked a question. I was noticing all these circumstances, and after some time I got the point that really every student have negative thinking, but they are using their negative points in positive way. What a great thing. Now you will think that what I'm saying, but yes, wait and let me conclude it, what I wanted to say. As you know, it's a human nature and humans have tendency to have both positive and negative points in their life. Only a human can convert their negative thinking into positive way. No man has been made who has only positive thinking in their life. So we must know that we have tendency to have both negative and positive points. Only it is the perception of our mind that how we are perceiving that negative thinking. As that student was thinking, when I will ask my question in Hindi language, then I'll lose my dignity. And without being in consciousness, he was using his negative point in a positive way. Just same, if we are going to have our negative points in a positive way, if we are going to have our negative points in that way where we can use those negative points in a positive way, that negative point can never be said as a negative points. So it is your perception, and your perception should be fabulous. That time you will take your negative points in a positive way. And you think, and you must know a thing, that we must know small changes. We must notice them, because these small changes can bring a great change, can bring a big change in our life. So take your small moments from your life and try to get something new from those moments. And yes, convert your negative points in a positive way. Use your negative points in a positive way. Don't try to remove negative thinking from your life, because you can never remove them. It's a human nature and it will present in our life ever and ever. So it's alright. I just wanted to say that yes, negative thinking also has importance in our life. Only we must know that how we are perceiving them. So that's all. And yes, I think you have definitely got something new from this video. So please try to subscribe, like and comment on this channel so that I can bring wonderful videos for you and you can get something new from my videos. So yeah, it's alright. Thanks for watching this video too.